My name is Jeroen Dekker and I'm one of the founders of Activance. And today we are here in our Roosendaal site in the Netherlands. Activance is in the business of e-commerce logistics. We have over 200 web shops in one site for which we do the picking and packing of web shop orders. We chose the Givaro print machine because it brings us a few advantages. So first of all, it's very efficient. So the cost of packaging lowers, and that's a very important one, I would say. It enables us to add value to the business model of the clients because we can print every individual lid of the box. So there is customized packaging possible while we crisscross process the orders of different clients. And that's a huge advantage for both the process as for the customer and the customer journey. Besides that, it's very sustainable because we can pack packages without any fresh air. We also don't need filling material. So it's very sustainable, and our customers, the web shops, they like that very much. One of the major benefits of the Givaro print machine is that we can negotiate better rates with last mile carriers because we ship less volume per package. And that's what the last mile carriers really like. So besides it's a sustainable solution, it also provides better rates for our clients. And that's again a USP for our company. Activance has big plans for the future. We are growing very fast in Europe and we want to be one of the most sustainable e-commerce logistics company in Europe. And we think the Givaro print machine can help us with that.